In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download a CRB report, check your status and even your ratings using the TransUnion Nipashe mobile app. Before I proceed, kindly subscribe to this channel and like this video to support me. So to get started, go to your Play Store and download TransUnion Nipashe app. So search at your Play Store, look for Nipashe TransUnion app. You click on it and install. For my case, I'll not install, I already have it, and as you can see, it has over 100,000 downloads. Go and open the app. Here you are required to enter your name, your first name, your second name, your ID, and then your mobile number, and then tick on this box to accept terms and conditions. But before you do that, you need first to register with TransUnion. How do you register with TransUnion? You can register with TransUnion by sending 50 shillings, as you can see in this message, to M-Pesa paybill number 2221, that is 212121, and then under the account you enter your ID number and then send the amount. The amount will go to Credit Reference Bureau Africa, which is the service provider of TransUnion service. Now, one thing you have to note is that the number you are using to register should be the same number that you will use to register on the TransUnion Nipashe app. Once you have registered, go to your app, enter your first name, enter your second name, enter your national ID, that is your ID number, and then enter your mobile number beginning with 7. Agree to the terms and condition by checking the box and then press on next. From here, you'll want to activate your account. Tap on activate. When you tap on activate, you will receive activation code on your phone. Take the code at the bottom and then verify. So now this will log into your account. As you can see, this account, now you can see your score. We have here features. On the top bar, you can see the score, loan accounts, credit reports, and you can as well apply for clearance certificate. Under the score, you can see the score for this account is 570. Then if we go to the loan accounts, here you will see all the loans that have been listed on CRB, that have been paid and that are still being serviced. You can scroll down and check all of them. But this is just a summary of your loan accounts. To get a full report, swipe to the next function, which is credit report. Alternatively, you can just tap on credit report, and from here you will need just to enter your email to receive your credit report. So enter your email and then submit. So once you click on submit, a credit report will be sent to the email that you have just used. Go and download the report from your email. So here is the report. To get the report, just scroll down to the file, and as you can see, we have here TransUnion report. It comes in form of a PDF. Just click on the download button, click on it and open with WPS Office. For the password, enter your ID number. Now, as you can see, the report now is open. So if you want to get to know how to interpret your CRB report, kindly go to the description section or the comment section and watch the video on how to interpret your CRB report. So by following these steps, you'll be able to download your report. Kindly follow the above steps and you should be able to get your report instantly on your phone. Thank you for watching and bye bye for now.